Hi, today we talk about the lookup table and I'm selecting the first 1D lookup table. When you click search 1D lookup table, it will come 1D lookup table. Okay, and then you can select the dimension, which how many dimensions you want, 1, 2, 3. So this dimension will be varying according to the input type. Like here I am taking one example of breaking point 1. That means this breaking point is for my input and table data is my for output. You can see here also 0 1 2 3 4 5 is my input breaking point, and 0 40 80 120 160 200 is my output data. Okay, and we have an option to select methods, which by which methods we want to perform this. So there is interpolation method, extrapolation method, and linear or binary search methods. Okay, first we look into what are those. Interpolation is like estimating unknown values that lie between the known data points. So here I am taking one example, a car moving with a constant speed of 40 km per hour. That means my speed is like constant only. So I am varying the time value and accordingly I am calculating the distance. So time will be my the breaking point for the 1D lookup table. Okay, and this will be my output data. And you can see when linear interpolation we can calculate the distance at 1.5 2.5 3.5 or any time at any time within this range only. And extrapolation will come into the picture when we want to calculate the distance out of range, like after 6 sorry at 6 hour here, not a kilometer, after 5 hours or after 6 hours 7 hours, like that we want to calculate, so that we don't have a distance value for that, but we can calculate. Okay, and in 2D lookup table what will happen, there will be two varying values. Here speed is also varying with along with time, so you can see here this time will be my breakpoint 1 and speed will be my breakpoint 2. So along with the time speed is also varying, so accordingly I will calculate the distance. Okay, so linear interpolation will be when we can calculate the distance within those limits or range. Extrapolation will be finding the distance after the range, and let me change here to us, and above 70 km per hour. Okay, and you saw that there is a search method also. So binary search will be what will be doing there is first we can feed the input in the monotonically increasing method only. We can't give the breaking point input as a 0 2 3 5 then in decreased lesson value like 2 1 3 4 randomly. We can't give that value, it should be increasing order only. Okay, so what will happen in search binary search method, it will repeatedly divide the half of that array value, and then it will search so that it will locate the nearest one, or possible to just one value it will locate. Okay, we'll see how the lookup tables are working. So here you can see my algorithm, I'm giving the linear, interpolation and extrapolation are linear, my search method is binary. Okay, so I'm giving the value 4.6. At 4.6 it should be coming between 160 and 200, right? Let's run. So it's giving me 184 value between 160 and 200. And in 2D lookup table I gave these values by separate. I separated the rows with commas and column with semicolon. Okay, and in algorithm also I'm selecting the linear point slope, and extrapolation is also linear. search method is binary now. Okay, and this is for my breakpoint 1, this is for my breakpoint 2. I'm running this now at 4.5 and 50. We'll see first here. 4.5 is my this point and 50 is this point, so you can see it should be coming somewhere near to this values. Okay, 225. Yeah, now we will change the algorithm. I'm changing to flat. What flat will do, it will take the breaking point, smallest breaking point value. For 4.5 it will be taking 4, I think, and 50 will be 50 value only. So we will check the value at 4 and 5. So this is my 4.50, you are giving 200 value. Okay, and then I'm changing my algorithm to nearest. It will take the nearest value. So 4.5 it will be rounded off to 5. So accordingly 5 and 50 it will take the data type value. Let me show you there. So 4.5 will be taking 5 here, and what I'm taking, sorry, here 4.5 will be giving 5 and 50. So 250 value is coming now. Okay, so same we'll check here also in 1D lookup table. I'm selecting the flat method. Flat method will be like flooring, not exactly flooring but similar to floor. It will take the smallest value. So 4.6, you can see maybe 4 it's taking. Yes, so it's taking the 4 as a because of flooring, or not flooring, smallest one. Okay, and then we are changing this to nearest one. Nearest value will be calculated. We'll see 5 will give 200, I think. Let's see. Yes, so 4.6 is rounded off to 5 and it's giving 200 value. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.